The doorbell begins as a simple mechanical bell in early homes, rung by a pull cord. By the 1920s, electric chimes replaced bells, energized by a transformer and a discrete push button in cottages and town fronts. In the 1980s, wireless doorbells free the front door from wiring, with louder tones and chimes as homes modernized. In the 2010s, smart doorbells add motion sensors, HD video, and cloud alerts connected to smartphones and home ecosystems. Today, the doorbell is a security hub blending sound, sight, and AI to greet visitors and deter intruders.